Breaking news now, the Supreme Court has reaffirmed that the Chief Justice of India is the master of the roster and merely he can allocate and distribute cases. Says there's no doubt or dispute about the doctrine. Let's go across to my colleague Meenakshi Bhanja, joins us on the phone line. Meenakshi, for the third time, the Supreme Court reiterating that it is the Chief Justice of India who is the boss as far as the roster is concerned.
Well, absolutely, Viren. This is the third time in 8 months that the Supreme Court has felt the need to reiterate this doctrine, given the fact that there were a slew of petitions that had been filed one after the other in the top court, which was questioning the extent of the administrative powers of the Chief Justice of India's office. And now, interestingly, this order today has come by on a petition which has been filed by former Law Minister Shanti Bhushan, and the Supreme Court has again conducted extensive hearings on the issue, in which Shanti Bhushan made a lot of references to the Honorable Chief Justice of India's office, saying that it should be more elaborate, more transparent, the manner in which these cases are allocated. But clearly today, the bench, its opinion is clear. It feels that the distribution or the allocation of cases within the Supreme Court, wherein cannot happen under the guidance of the collegium every day, because it would amount to that being a very arduous work for the collegium to assemble every day to simply decide on the administration of the Supreme Court. That apart, the bench also feels that the role of the Chief Justice of India has nowhere been enshrined in the Constitution, and therefore these are powers that have been allocated to the Chief Justice of India's office to conduct the administrative work of the Supreme Court in a better fashion. And therefore, for the third time in 8 months, this particular doctrine wherein has been reiterated that the Chief Justice of India indeed is the master of the roster, and he is very well within his bounds to go ahead and allocate and distribute work within the Supreme Court.
Right, Meenakshi Bhanja, thanks for joining us.